after getting the concept of trigonometric ratios of sum and difference of two angles, now we can easily find out the value of the sine 75. You can find out now the trigonometric ratios of any angle that is multiple of 15. All right, that's a multiple of 15. That makes you really easier to find out the trigonometric ratios. All right, here 75 is also multiple of 15. All right, initially we had just learned the standard values, like for 0 degree, for 30 degree, for 45 degree, we had learned for 60 degree, and then for 90 degree and 120 degree, and few were there only. All right, but here now we can multiply with 15, means those all angles which you can multiply with 15 you can easily find out. All right, so for that, you know what you can do, sine 75 it is. All right, and we had recently learned that sine of a plus b is sine of a times cosine of b plus cosine of a times sine of b. This is the formula for the sine of a plus b. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna represent this 75 as the sum of the two angles whose both values I know. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna write 75 as the sum of the 45 degree and the 30 degree. And we everybody know the sine 45 and sine 30 degree, or I mean any trigonometric based on the 45 and 30, because these are the standard angles. All right, and now I can easily use here the normal a plus b formula. Right, when we have sine a plus b, we write sine a cos b cos a sine b. So when we have sine 45 and 30 degree, we can pretend like that. So it's going to be now sine 45 degree and cosine of 30 degree, and then plus cosine of 45 degree and sine of 30 degree. And we know all the values. All right, sine 45 is actually 1 over root 2, and cosine of 30 is root 3 over 2, and cosine of 45 is again 1 over root 2, and sine of 30, that is 1 over 2. So now if we add it in the LCM, we'll get 2 root 2. All right, and in above we'll get root 3, and here you'll get 1. So the sine 75 degree is root 3 plus 1. This is how very simple it is. All right, and in the same way you can easily find out the value of any any number that is multiple of 15, like cosine of 75 degree here, you can find out tangent of 75 degree here. Right, like that you can find out. Right, even you can find out like cosine of 15 degree and a lot of things. So try it, and if there is a problem, then please send me the message. I'll try to make the videos on that also. All right, see you in the next video with next question. Goodbye.